Want Sora 2 today? I'll show you 5 real ways to get an invite fast. You'll need the Sora app, iOS/Android, a ChatGPT/OpenAI account, and either Discord, Reddit, or X for community codes. First, download Sora from the App Store and sign in. Tap the in-app waitlist/notification option. Sometimes OpenAI opens access waves without codes. Each active user usually gets a small number of friend codes. Ask friends, Discord contacts, or colleagues. If someone uses your refer, you often gain access to. Join OpenAI's official Discord and Reddit megathreads. People post fresh invite codes and swap and use ones. Be quick. Many codes expire or hit their usage limit. Search Sora 2 invite code on X and enable notifications for new posts. Some creators drop codes in real time. Never pay for a code. Legit channels are official OpenAI pages, community threads, and friend shares. If someone asks money, report and block. It's a scam. When you get a code, open Sora, tap, enter invite code. Paste it, verify with your ChatGPT/OpenAI login, and you're in. Got in? Drop the word you use in comments. No codes, please. Like and subscribe for more Sora tips.